Designing professional product mockups doesn't have to take hours anymore. This AI tool can turn your simple design into a realistic bakery bag mockup in just a few clicks. To get started, open any browser and search for mocky.ai. Open the website and tap on the Upload Design option. Now select the design from your device that you want to convert into a mockup. After uploading your design, explore the library and choose a mockup that matches your product style. For example, if your design is for a cookie brand, you can search for a paper bag or bakery bag mockup and select the one that fits your branding. Once you find the perfect mockup, simply tap on it to apply your design. Now adjust the design placement, size, and position to make it look natural and professional. When everything looks perfect, click on the Download button to save your final mockup. Now you can use your realistic bakery bag mockup for product branding, packaging designs, online stores, or social media content without spending hours in Canva or other editing tools.